Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers in front of me, YOTON YB03, and now I'm going to show you how to enable Moves alarm on this device. To do it, you need to open the settings and here find motion detection and click enable. Now let's wait a while. And now after a while, when I will move, it will enable the alarm. So maybe not now, maybe we need several minutes to do it. So I need to not move for several minutes and then motion will be detected. Okay, just cancel. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.